Understanding mindful breathing.
Mindful breathing is a simple yet powerful technique that helps you manage stress by focusing on your breath. It encourages you to slow down, notice your breathing, and bring your attention to the present moment. This practice can be done anywhere, offering quick relief from daily tension and supporting overall mental well-being.
Preparing for mindful breathing.
To begin, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, with your back straight but relaxed. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or soften your gaze. Take a moment to notice how you are feeling, both physically and mentally, before you start. Try to dedicate just a few uninterrupted minutes to this practice.
Step-by-step mindful breathing.
Start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest and belly expand as you inhale. Then, gently exhale through your mouth, noticing your body as it relaxes. Focus on the sensation and rhythm of your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breathing.
Overcoming common challenges.
It is natural for thoughts or distractions to arise during mindful breathing. When this happens, don't judge yourself. Gently acknowledge the distraction and return your focus to your breath. With regular practice, it will become easier to stay present and use mindful breathing to help reduce stress.
Using mindful breathing throughout the day.
Incorporate mindful breathing into everyday moments, such as before meetings, during breaks, or when feeling overwhelmed. Just a few mindful breaths can calm your mind and body, helping you respond to stress in a healthier way. Over time, you may notice increased clarity, resilience, and sense of calm in your daily life.